Hey, you guys, and welcome to movie news. And in movie news, Batman. Ben Affleck was cast as Batman. I know most of you guys know it by now. And another thing, I'm filming on a camera, an actual, honest to God camera, and not my phone, which is great because I don't see this all the time in my face, which left me with just like little dots for ever afterwards. So I'm actually happy. So, my thoughts on Ben Affleck as Batman originally was more like, you're kidding me, right? This is a joke. Tell me, really, who's Batman? Yeah. And then it was like, seriously, Ben Affleck? And then it was kind of like, well, I did like Daredevil, though I've only seen it once, and Colin Farrell was awesome. And he's mostly what I remember about it, so I should probably rewatch that movie. I think I have it somewhere on my shelves. I know I owned it at one point, so I don't know what happened to it. I haven't seen it since it first came out. So, yeah, so no, but I like past Batmans. I have them right here because I think I'm about doing a marathon. I have Batman with Keaton and Nicholson, and then I have Batman Returns with Danny DeVito and Michelle Pfeiffer and Keaton. And then I have Batman Forever with Val Kilmer, Tommy Lee Jones, and Jim Carrey. And then I have Batman and Robin with Schwarzenegger, Clooney, O'Donnell, Thurman, and Silverstone. And I like this more than most people. And then, of course, we have Christopher Nolan's Batman Begins and The Dark Knight. I don't have The Dark Knight Rises yet, but I'm planning to. But I'm also planning to do maybe a little marathon, do a little review of each of them, and yeah, just go back through a history of a little bit of Batman. So yeah, you guys tell me down in the comments down below. How do you guys feel about Ben Affleck being cast as Batman? Because I would love to know your reactions. Are you just like so totally against it that you're about to sign that petition that's going around on the internet demanding that he be dropped from Batman? Like, seriously, I was on the internet and that is a thing. And then are you just like me? You're just gonna wait and see, or you just have no feelings on this at all? Or what are your opinions? And tell me down below. What was one of your favorite movies of Batman pre Christopher Nolan? Because I know a lot of people will say those. I want to know which one did you guys like between these. Like, yeah. So let me know, and I will see you guys later. Because I want to talk about Miley Cyrus tomorrow. I think by tomorrow I can get it out without wanting to dissolve into like laughter. Oh yeah, Miley. So you guys let me know, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Got a kid.